Alright, you guys, I am in Cracker Barrel. Look right here, $59.99 for the casket glitter glow. He has his little top hat on. Oh, he reminds me of the Corpse Bride
I like
Bone
this one
Daddies
so much.
with their top hat and they're doing a little dancing. That's what it reminds me of. It's $59.99. So 60. That is cool. You got the black hat down here. IIP. Skeleton bones.
I found my favorite salt and pepper set.
Oh, these are cute too. Are these 10? These are only $10, so not bad. The upside down bat salt and pepper shaker. That is really, really cute. And you know, they have always the basket of salt and pepper shakers. They're only 99 cents. They do the same for like Christmas too. Here lies pepper. Oh, we got Frank, my man. There's Frank and his lovely lady. Oh, here lies salt. There's salt. And here we go. And then, of course, I think the last one would be the pumpkin. I like it. Oh, they have different faces. So we have like this kind of like spooky face, and this one is more like a happy face. Okay, that's really, really cool. And again, those are only 99 cents. $5.99 here. The Reaper with the crystal ball is actually kind of cool. I want to say it's different from the one last year. Because they had this last year, right? One like this, the tiny one.
Yeah.
And that's $5.99.
I like this one.
Look how long it is, though.
Oh, yeah.
It's pretty long. And then you have... Oh, does the black one come with the crystal ball? No.
Oh, they light it.
This one lights up. Let me see. That's kind of cool. Does the white one light up too? Let me look real quick. I don't think so. Oh, it does.
It is. There you go.
So we have... Okay, so we have the ball right there. Alright. That lights up.
I like how they change colors. What's funny is right now it's green, but on the camera it's blue.
No, it's blue.
Oh, it is now.
Okay, I like this ghost friend right here. It's $3.99. The swing ghost. That is really, really cute. Then we have this skull guy. He's $10. Just like a little lantern. It's just like a lantern. This could be, you know, in a kid room, little night light. And look, you guys, if you love your cats, where's the doggies? Okay, they have the cats out. Look how cute. He's a vampire cat. And he has fangs, and there's like red fangs. That is so funny. These are $5 here, and they got a whole bucket of them. Here's a little mummy one. And okay, I am really liking this ghost cat. I'm definitely... Look at this one. This is cool. I feel like I need a doggy one. Right? We need a doggy version of that. I know there's a large one online, so they do have quite a bit of stuff online. That is really cool. That's just like the skull. It's gonna light up. Then we got more Bone Daddies here. Just tons of stuff. Brain games, word search puzzles. Okay, this is pretty cool. This is $11.99. The Blob. I don't think you know what, they were supposed to remake The Blob. Rob Zombie was. I don't know what's going on with that. I don't know. Eyes without a face. That's funny. The birds. Hey, we just watched that. That's so funny. And this one, the crow accent light, is $80. That's funny. I kind of like this guy. He is definitely 10. He is absolutely gorgeous. And you know, it does come on. I would love to have that. That's a little too big maybe for the family room, but I love it. That is a gorgeous boy. Okay, let's walk around here. Oh my gosh. What does this guy do? He is $39.99. He's an animated Reaper. Oh, he's not on. I don't know what you do. don't know if there's a
plugged in.
button. So I think he's supposed to like move from what I've seen on videos, and the eyes do light up. Okay, the doggy sweater. Look at these boys right here. These are $29.99. And look at this jewelry. We have the little cup. This is $15. 15. Get the little ghost keychain, which is really cute. Only 10. Earrings are here. The skeleton. Or just call them bone daddies. That moves. 15 bucks. I just saw that. And here is your spider. Let me bring these out. Oh gosh, can I bring these out? Here's like spiders. That is so much fun. The snake.
Yeah.
You know, Betsy Johnson comes out with jewelry like this, and you could find them
It's magnetic.
at TJ Maxx, and mainly TJ Maxx. It is magnetic, which is kind of cool. So then you could put it anywhere you want. Okay, that's cool. That is magnetic. And this is 17, so kind of like the same price in TJ Maxx and Marshalls, like on the jewelry. There's like another skull one. Got like the witch. Boo. This one glows in the dark. These are $12.99. Like a little fun brooch. And like a charm. Says Boo. Got a haunted house on it. Got the cat and the pumpkin. Trick or treat bag, spider, and a bat. Here's the bat right here. Isn't that really cute? That's $15. Okay. And this one is $70. You just hang up. $70 right here. And the animated house. Okay, let's see. 70. I kind of like this.
It reminds me of like the old Ghostbuster toys.
It also reminds me of Monster House. I don't know why. But I've always wanted the house to do that. You know how they always have the house with the bats right here and the moon?
Yeah.
I always like, it would be cool if it was like an actual like things. Oh gosh, this candle is moving. This is an animated candle for 25 bucks. So it does move. That is so funny. Move that over here. That was like making its way off the edge. How funny is that? And these, I want to say they do light up. Look at these eyeballs. I hope they light up. Oh yeah, it takes batteries. $29.99. I love that. I like this house though for 70 bucks. What do we have? The post for 100. It's not on. Pretty sure it's gonna light up and everything here. Then a little post. Looks like candles. These are $12.99. And we have more salt and pepper shakers. Poison and elixir. That is actually really cute. This spider tray is $27. And then, yeah, more mini shakers. What does this one say? I'm 100% that witch. We always see that one. That is $17. Oh, look. Where's our head? Where's our head? Let me pan out.
This is the really nice costume that they have.
Oh, this is a costume?
Yeah, look how, I think it is.
No, it's
yeah.
animated invisible
an
witch.
invisible witch. Oh, okay. How cool.
I don't know what she does. It's probably not on. I don't think it's on. But I'm like, oh, she's like invisible. That is so funny. You thought it was a costume?
I did too. Yeah, I did when I first saw it.
The blow mold is $59.99. And then $3.99. We have a nice skull mug. This is actually really nice quality on the skull mug. $8 right here. Great Tales of Edgar Allan Poe. We have more of the salt and pepper shaker. I mean, he looks kind of funny. He kind of looks like my father-in-law. And $59.99. Look at all these skulls. Aren't you loving that? $59.99. And down here, Together Forever. Oh, this is the one that pops out of the barrel, no price on that. This one, the salt and pepper. It just, I dig it. I would leave this out all year long.
Kind of reminds me of that guy in the 9 Inch Nails video with his goggles on. That's kind of
Yeah, and then enter at your own risk. Okay, that is so funny. So snake garland is $10.99, and the Halloween tree is $150. Okay. Oh look, we got eyes in here. Are these shaky eyes? They're $8. I'm not too sure. But I do like this cat. That's really cool. Is there another area? I'm trying to see if there's another area for Halloween. Too bad this guy didn't work, right? These are $5.99. Oh, I like them again. These are giving me corpse bride. Corpse bride. These figures right here. They always have that. Just a little ray of pitch black. Oh, here's the... Oh man, they're not on. But the tree is $49.99. Oh look, see, it's scooted over here. Did you move that?
I put that back.
It like falls. $50 for that.
Oh, he's not.
How's that for a treat?
It's the farting one. I think he was like from last year too.
Silent and deadly.
That is so funny actually, but I kind of like this house. That was really cool. Okay, we got him to turn on. He's 40. I can't believe this guy's only 40. Actually not bad.
That's cool. I thought that was just a cloud.
That is so cool. Make zombie noises. This lamp post. That is loud. Okay, and they have this animated invisible witch. She's kind of cool, so she's turned on. You hear all the noises she makes. That's actually kind of cool. How you turn her on? Right here?
Right here.
That's pretty cool. And she's only 100, which I feel like is not bad for 100. That's so funny. Okay, and they have like Bluey over here, so I'm gonna make my way this way. Get away from the door. They got like plushies, the bat one. These are 15. They got the duck. Oh, is this like a duck bat? That's really cool. That's $8. The Bump and Go Grim Reaper, which is not out. The animated broom they always bring out. I like this duck bat. Nightmare. You know, all these plushies. The Bluey. Here's a larger one. The larger one's 15. I think it's the larger one. I'm just gonna call it that. Or it might look the same.
I got the pumpkin turned on.
Let's go check out the pumpkin. Okay, here's this bowl down here. And that is 20. Okay, and here's the pumpkin. Here's what it looks like. Is there a volume on that witch?
On the witch?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
This is $100. 100. Trying to get like a thumbnail. Alright you guys, let me go ahead and end the video because the lady let us turn it on because it was kind of loud in here and people can't hear her, so I'm going to shut these off. But thank you so much for joining me. I think this is really cool. I do like this. Please stay safe and I will see all of you in the next one.